Hi kids, and welcome to Pedal Metal's Toy Review. Today we're going to look at Elmo's airplane and Cookie Monster's airplane from Sesame Street. They are made by Playskool and they're for ages 18 months to 4 years old. Let's check them out. Wow, they're pretty cool, aren't they? You can take them out of the cockpit. Hi everyone. And here's Cookie's airplane. His airplane's red and it has cookies on it. It's the only way he flies.
Yum, 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 yum. Me like cookies, and I like my airplane. Do you like your airplane, Elmo?
Yeah, mine is blue, and it has numbers on it. Let me climb aboard. Ooh, look at that. It has numbers and some crayons. I'm going to take off now. Look out, Cookie!
Me like cookies, but I don't like crashing into people. Let me get out of the way.
Here comes Elmo. Sorry about that, Cookie. Didn't mean to run into you.
Oh, that's okay, Elmo. Next time, though, you should probably watch where you're going. Do you like your airplane?
Oh, I love my airplane. It's awesome. It's very durable. Let me get turned around. Why don't you go up for another flight, Elmo?
I think I might. Let me go get some cookies first, though. Me hungry. I'm back with some cookies. I'm gonna eat some cookies while I'm on the plane. Oh, that was awesome. What a great flight. So what do you think, Elmo?
Yeah, these are cool. Every parent should buy them for their kids.
Yeah, me agree. Alright, let's get parked here. Let's back it in. There we go. Alright, kids, till next time. We'll see you later. Bye now.